Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix error in loading caption on YouTube on your iPhone. For example, if you try to see the videos on YouTube and you see that there are videos which includes caption and your YouTube video doesn't play caption. So how you can fix that? As you can see, there are videos playing, and if you want to see that kind of captions are not available in or your YouTube on your iPhone, or your video is not showing. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go back and you have to simply click on settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And in general, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset iPhone, and after that you have to simply click on reset. And after that you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to general. And this time you have to simply go to iPhone storage. And in iPhone storage, you have to simply look for the YouTube app. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on show all, and you will find all of the apps here. So here you have to simply find the YouTube app. And after finding the YouTube app, you have to simply open the YouTube app. And here what you have to do, you have to simply offload the app. And after offloading the app, you will see a new option here, which will be reinstall the app. So you have to simply reinstall the app. After reinstalling the app, what you have to do next is you have to simply try to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do next is you have to simply open the app store here. And here what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube. And you have to simply check for the latest version of the YouTube. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the YouTube app. And after updating, you will see that your error has been fixed, because many error has been fixed by the latest version of the app. So you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the app. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app. And after updating, hope your error will be solved. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.